Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. If this is your first time checking us out, I am so glad you decided to do so. I'm Sky and I am married to the handsome Chad. We have 3 beautiful kiddos and we love all things home. From DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. Today's video is our bathroom reveal. We have been working on a 3-part series renovating our half bathroom, and I cannot wait to share with y'all today. It is such a transformation, honestly unexpected to me, and I think to you as well. Once you see it, things changed. At the last minute, things changed. I had this feeling in my gut. I just knew something was off and I had to get it right before I shared it. And so we have been working around the clock to get this finished, to be able to share it with y'all today. And I really hope you love it. I can't wait to hear your reaction down in the comments below. So it is, as I said, a little bit unexpected. It's a little bit different. It is loaded with character. I tried to blend the old and the new in there. I want you to open the door and have the feeling that it blends in with our home, but also, wow. I want you to be blown away and a little bit surprised. We spent a lot of time, I think the last 3 weekends, and then basically every single night ever since, really just working on this space and getting it just right. And I am so excited and I can't wait any longer. So we're gonna go and check it out. As a quick reminder, this is the before. We just were pretty plain Jane in here, nothing too exciting. And here is the after. The color that we went with is Pewter Green by Valspar, and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a beautiful, just that perfect moody green, and it's great for a bathroom. Now this adorable little frame and print is from, well, the frame itself is from Goodwill. I got it for less than $2. I added some rub and buff to it and it completely transformed it, and my goal was that it would match the other gold fixtures that we have in this room. So this is one of my favorite pieces in the room, and unfortunately is pretty challenging to photograph because it is up so high. The original builders of this home, for whatever reason, put the electrical box just up so high for the light. So I did have to get some interesting shots here, but I really wanted to share it with you. It ties in nicely from our breakfast nook. We also have a light fixture out there with some of those really pretty like linen shades with that tumbled or antique brass look. So I love this light fixture. It was a little bit of a splurge, but I wanted to do it right and choose a piece that I loved. I was able to capture a little bit of before footage of this mirror that I purchased off of Facebook Marketplace that we've actually had in our master bedroom for a while. But I hung a couple of different mirrors in the bathroom and didn't feel like anything was like the one until I put this one in there. Something about the oval shape and just the ornate design that it has just felt so right for this space. So we are using the European Gold Rub and Buff, and I used the little sponges that it came with and was able to do this project in probably 15 minutes. It dried pretty quickly and gave me that overall look that I was going for, which was less of a bright gold and more of an antique brass. The little knobs that we have on our IKEA vanity were from Amazon, and they are actually the knobs that we also use throughout the house in our laundry room, on that cabinetry, and also in our kitchen. And then our beautiful faucet is also from Amazon. It is the Kingston Brass brand, and we have their faucet in our kitchen, our laundry room as well. And it's just incredible quality and just absolutely beautiful. I shared this beautiful wooden riser from McGee & Co. in a recent decor haul video, and then I purchased this linen candle with the matching lotion and hand soap from House, and they smell amazing. Then over here on the other side of our vanity, I have a little olive plant that I got from Target a couple of years ago. And then we have a towel holder that we decided to switch up the location and put right here on the same wall as our mirror. And this is a Pottery Barn purchase, as well as our toilet paper holder. I do want to take a quick moment to thank Lovers Design for sponsoring today's video and for partnering with us on this bathroom project. Lovers Design offers a wide selection of peel and stick and traditional wallpaper designs. One unique feature that they offer, and I immediately fell in love with, is that each design is customizable. They have hundreds of colors to choose from, so you are sure to find something that works with your space. They also include a simple sheet that shares the how-to process of installing your wallpaper, and they even have videos on their website to watch. We found that super helpful as we were working on installing this wallpaper in our space. I am so in love with the wallpaper that we chose. We went with a peel and stick option in the design Classic Foliage, with the background color as cotton and the floral design in Rosemary. Now, if you watch the second part to this 3-part series of our bathroom makeover, we shared some of the different samples that we had picked out for this space, and I found that to be super helpful to be able to actually bring the prints and the colors into my home and see what was going to look good. Now, ultimately, I did end up deciding to go with a deeper, darker color on our beadboard. I knew kind of in the back of my mind that that may happen once we got this wallpaper design up on the walls. And I'm so glad that we ended up doing that. So thank you again to Lovers Design for partnering with us on this project. I am so in love with how this wallpaper turned out and just the character that it gives to this space. It's so wild to me, the before of these pieces compared to the after. With that European gold, it looks amazing. I'm telling you, the power of Rub and Buff is just incredible. And that little tube that I used is gonna last me for several projects to come. Now, this is one of the most exciting parts of the bathroom renovation. We have a new toilet lid, and it is slow closing, which is amazing when you have little kids. This little wastebasket was a find from the Depot at Gibson Mill, one of my favorite antique stores, and I thought that'd be a great little trash can. I think I'm gonna look for a little liner to go in there, but I felt like it really just fit the whole aesthetic of this space. And then my stool is from House Holm, and I love it. I also shared it in a recent decor haul video and mentioned that I don't know, I may end up going back and ordering another. It was about $115, which is a pretty good price for a stool like that. And it was just very rustic and went along so well to tie in just all the other wooden elements that we have in this space, like our little wooden riser from McGee & Co. here on the vanity. And then I got a cute little bathroom rug. This one was on major clearance at the time that I purchased it from McGee & Co. And I love it. It is kind of an ivory off-white color, and it just looks so great in here and just kind of warms the space up. Okay, my friends, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for being here. I'm dying to know what your reaction was to the bathroom. Do you love it? Do you like the color? What do you think? Please be kind, but let me know down in the comments below. And if you did love it, don't forget to give this one a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join my YouTube family. Now, I did promise my husband we could take a little bit of a break from DIY projects. This one kind of just took it all out of him. He's pretty exhausted and ready to recoup and recover, but he is super happy and pleased with the end result. So we're gonna do some antiquing, we're gonna do some more decorating around the house. We are gonna do some fun things. I've got a few things up my sleeve and I'm really looking forward to it. So I hope you'll stay tuned and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, friends.